My name is Cedric Thomas and I run an open source organization which is called OW2. We are a European organization fostering projects for information systems. So we host application platforms, components, middleware, everything a company might need to build an information system. While STAMP is about testing, you need to understand a bit the context of testing. With all the agile development methodologies and digital transformation, production needs to be updated very quickly. So very quickly you have agile development plus quick turnaround in production, and you find yourself with DevOps. And DevOps is a continuum between development and production. And in the DevOps context, what happens is that the developers, they develop the code, but they also develop the tests. And in the same way that the code has to be tested, we feel that the tests have to be tested as well. So STAMP provides a set of technologies to improve the tests that are developed by the developers. Oh, so this is where science comes in. We apply what we call extreme mutation. So the idea is to analyze the code, analyze the test, and change things that challenge the test to find that the mutation in the code have been found. So if the test doesn't realize that we've changed something in the code, if we mutated the code, then the test needs to be improved. Oh yes, we are 3 months before the end of the project, and we have developed 4 tools. Actually, STAMP delivers a tool set to improve the testing suite. So we concentrate on, if you could look at this, illustration here. Here you have the DevOps infinite loop. So we concentrate on unit testing. Well, we have 2 tests there. One is called Despot, and the other one called Descartes. So Despot analyzes the unit testing, and Descartes also analyzes and applies extreme mutation. And this is the Descartes and Despot helps you generate new tests that increase the code coverage. Then we have another focus area, which is configuration testing. The tool we have developed here is called CAMP, for configuration amplification. And with CAMP, you can simulate a number of configurations, and instead of being able to only test 1 or 2 configurations, with CAMP you can test a dozen or more configurations for the deployment of your software. And the third area is production. So what we do here, we analyze the stack traces. So whenever an incident happens in production, that generates stack traces. The tool is called BotSync, analyzes the task traces, and automatically generates the tests that will help you reproduce the incident and make sure that in your development, the incident will not happen once in production. Well, open source has been a decision right from the beginning of the project. Everything is developed in open source, everything is public, and we've decided to develop open source because, first of all, we have in this project the combination of research institutes and industry and representative of the industry. So 3 research institutes, 5 industry representatives, and to cooperate together. Open source was the best way anyway. But there is another thing about open source, and it's really that it is about dissemination. So open source for this kind of scientific achievements is a great means of dissemination. Well, yes, the tools are available. You can download them. And actually, we've launched a beta testing campaign. So you can see this. This is the leaflet we are distributing here around. And you go to this website, and you can download the tools and test them. And actually, we invite you to go and test the tools and fill in the questionnaire so we can get some feedback. We can use with feedback, very useful.